Hey! So I just met up with Craig and Nene. We just got to the unit, and Nene pushed every bloody button on the way down. So we're
Please mind the doors.
yeah,
Doors closing.
he's not going to eat for a couple
We're
of
spending a
weeks.
fair bit of time in the elevator.
Yeah, two guys and a camera in an elevator. It's great. So yeah, we're going to go to Trafalgar Square now
Yep.
to meet the rest of the fam bam. Lucky
Floor
me.
1.
Shouldn't we just go to a pub and just sit there?
Doors.
They can go to a pub.
Going
What the hell?
down.
Bloody Nate!
Please mind the doors.
Oh, should we say
Doors
mind again?
closing.
So we should just go to a pub and just sit and drink for the rest of the night.
Going down.
Going down. Border security was scary. I got stopped and they asked me every question
Ground
known to
floor.
man. It was very nervy. But good.
Doors opening.
So we're gonna go to Trafalgar Square now. The hotel's great. Nate's a little bastard.
No.
And then we're
Bill
off.
and I are going to run off. You know.
So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.
And then he will.
We've been going down these twisty stairs now for a good 40 seconds. Oh no, there's no way I'd be doing that. And we're down. Piccadilly line. Oh my god, I'm dizzy. Go. No. No. Oh, I'm losing. Why am I losing? 91.
No,
Is it you?
no.
Oh. It's Gwen. What does Gwen mean?
I don't know.
What's coming? Which way is the train coming from? Are you sure?
Here on the Circle Line.
Do it again.
This is a Piccadilly line service to the Cockfosters.
Right, we are here, I think. Now we're just gonna find Kimberly, D-Bro, and Fat Boy. You see them? No. I see them. No. I only see 4 of them. We're here. Who's gonna hug me first? Who's gonna hug me first? Hey, Daddy.
What's a microphone?
How you feel being in London?
I feel better now that my son's here. Oh, hang on. No, Chris is not here.
Ah! Where's my favourite mother?
Here! I'm a mum.
Are you Dudu's favourite?
Yeah?
Yeah, you better be. Do you?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in his bag.
Autumn, I need a hug. Aww. Yeah, you Dudu's favourite? Yeah. You gonna get a present? Yeah.
I am.
I miss you the most. Did you get littler? Yes, you did. How you finding London? Is it cool?
Cold is a better word.
Yeah. How you finding London? Oh! Hello, Nana. You look good.
Thank goodness.
It's only been about 5 years.
Oh, thank goodness.
You happy? No. Happy? You ready to go home?
I'm ready to go.
All right, let's go home. Where are we going? England, London? Starbucks. I come 1,500 kilometres today to see you to go to a Starbucks.
Yep.
Not this beautiful square. Statues
Nelson on
everywhere.
the top.
Perfect. Nelson is looking cool.
Not looking at us.
And Big Ben is covered in stuff. And you want me.
Green stuff around. Yeah, like with the picture.
I'm ready. Let's go and venture London, Mum. You ready?
No, I'm going home.
She's going home.
Bye.
Hey, door. Where are we?
We're in Sweden.
Where are we, Kimberly?
London!
London. And we just had one of these things.
Yep, we did.
They're really good. Everyone stole my thing. We're gonna get tickets now and go on the bus. Are we going on the big bus?
Yeah!
Kimberly, are we going on the big bus?
Yes.
Coffee! Alright, coffee shop it is, let's go. So I have been in Sweden now, So I have been in London now for 20 minutes. And all we've done is stand here and just figure out where to go.
that's
Planning
how I-
with 9 people is just not fun.
That's what we've been doing the whole trip. Planning.
So Bruce Wayne and I, and Nene, we're gonna go and...
Not Nene.
Yeah, you are. The camera doesn't know your Nene. Hello, Isina. And then we're gonna go and figure out something. What do you want to do?
Eat Macca's all day.
He just wants to eat Macca's all day. God, I wish I was... How old are you again?
9.
Wish I was 9 again. Make life so much easier, wouldn't it? Alright, so let's go. Homo bra. Homo bra. Hey, hey, hey. Who do like him?
Hey, hey.
I'm done.
We suddenly get cold.
I don't know, but we're now at the Tower Bridge
In the afternoon.
and it's freezing. What temperature do you reckon it is?
Bloody cold.
I reckon it's 6. It's freezing.
Well, we can ask him what temperature it is.
Ask it. We've been on the bus twice now. The same route, we went round and
Hey,
round and
Siri.
round.
First time was good.
What's the-
Second
what's the
time was
temperature?
ridiculous.
Alright, we're gonna go get some bottled water and
It's 14 degrees. What are you talking about?
go. It's freezing.
Warm, sunny day.
Hey, door.
How do we get back from here?
We catch the bus to the blue.
We're in Tower Bridge right now.
Where's
it's
Tower Bridge?
freezing
No, it's only 14 degrees.
and it's nice. It's actually quite nice weather. Oh, look at that. He's warm. Craig looks warm in his shorts.
Bermuda.
We're just chilling here. Deborah looks great. So yeah,
Definitely Bermuda. I mean,
definitely Bermuda.
we could go for a swimming.
Wait, oh, I hope Autumn's in there. I think. Okay, so it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. We're eating chips. We're having a great time.
And we're not standing in the
We're
sun.
not standing for some reason, but we're having a good time. I'm with Craig Bob.
me. Don't bully me. I took my battery.
That's good. And we're just eating chips and stuff. So. Bob.
Still some chips or fish.
Yeah, so that's our day. Are you excited, Kim? Are you having fun?
Oh, so much fun.
Are you having family fun?
So much family fun.
Hmm? What's your favourite thing about this family adventure?
Gosh, it's so much. I don't know. Can't choose.
So many words to describe how much fun I'm having.
Sleeping with my favorite.
So what's our plan now?
I have no idea. Everyone keeps asking me
We
what
just wing. Kim's the planner,
we're doing.
and we're just winging it.
No, I have no idea. Come
You
on.
hungry?
No.
Hey, door. Alright, so we just ditched the fam bam. Mum's dealing with all of it, and Craig and Dad, so that's going to be awesome with 3 kids. So I'm looking forward to everything. So what are we doing now? We're going to get Nady toys.
Some toys.
From where?
Hamleys.
Hamleys. So he has something to open tomorrow. It'll be nice.
Something to
So
open.
we got to go.
Mommy present.
What's this line? We're on the
Circle.
circle line, and then we got to jump off to the
Victoria.
Victoria line, and then Piccadilly, and then head to Hanley's. So we got another 20 minutes. 3 minutes?
Yeah, not long.
Yeah, not long at all. All right.
Couple
Well,
of stops.
I'm.
I don't know where we are. Liverpool Street.
They're gonna have fun. So good luck to them.
2, 4, 6. 2, no, 2, I can't count.
And
Need
she's a
drink.
school teacher.
Need a drink.
Yeah, you need to drink. Let's stop by a bar
Stop at the pub.
at the pub. Local
We did
water.
that last night. Me and Dad on the way home. The train was delayed.
Ah!
Delayed by 30 minutes.
By 30 minutes while we sat there and had a shandy. Come back smelling a bit alky, but the dad always smells like alcohol, so it's normal. Alright. Hey dog.